What's up, Tubberivers? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel of Car Enthusiasts. Before we get started, like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and press the bell notification icon so you don't miss any of my future uploads, guys. Today we are at Seni Toyota, guys. You can see over here. The details of the showroom will be in the description below. If you're planning on buying any Toyota vehicle, you can definitely come over here and check it out if you are from Kolkata, and you can book your Toyota car right away, guys. So let's get started straight away with the video, guys. You can see in front of us under the hood, this is the treatment. You get the turbo 1-liter engine which churns 100 horsepower and 148 newton meters of torque. You get the same engine in the Fronx as well. This is the booster jet engine which is manufactured by Maruti. It is available in the Fronx and it's available in the Tizer now as well. You can see insulation placed under the hood as well. Particular cover design looks really nice. 1-2-3 cylinder engine hai, as it is a 1-liter turbo engine, of course. You can see the battery setup over there, your wiper washer flow setup over here. So things look well placed in my opinion, guys. You can let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Let's close the hood, understand the third. So guys, it's very easy to open and close because it's very light, and that's how it closes, guys. So this is how the Toyota Tayzer looks. Looks kind of like the Innova Hycross from the front, a mini Innova Hycross. The design language is completely showing that it's a Toyota car, guys. Pura Innova jaisa look dikh raha hai. You can see you get your tri-LED headlamps. You get your TRL setup for your indicator and your LED white light. This is your chrome treatment, Toyota logo in the middle. This is finished in satin, not chrome, guys. Over here you get your skid plate treatment which is big enough. This is your grill treatment over here, radiator grill treatment over here, finished in black. And this is how it looks, guys, from this position. आप दूर से अगर देखोगे इस गाड़ी को तो पूरा Innova Hycross वाला look है, guys. Let me know your thoughts. What do you guys think of the design? You get a towing hook placed over here, and that's pretty much it from the front. Let me know your thoughts, guys. What do you guys think of the Toyota Tayzer? The design from the front, it looks very mature, it looks very chunky, and it looks aggressive also in my opinion. Okay, let's come towards the side profile of the car. As you can see, body cladding running from the front all the way to the rear. ये crossover type finish है, guys. As you can see, it's a tall car. 190 mm का ground clearance आता है इसमें. So ground clearance is fantastic for Indian roads, guys. Over here you get blacked out alloy wheels which are sized at 195/60 R16. Disc brakes in the front and drum brakes in the rear. Side skirt treatment की बात करें, you can see the silver treatment over here on the side skirt. You can see this black treatment over here, the body cladding treatment over here. You get a request sensor on the driver and the co-driver side as well. You get your turn indicators treatment over here. ब्लाइंड स्पॉट मॉनिटरिंग इसमें नहीं आता है. टॉप मॉडल वी वेरिएंट में आपको वो ब्लाइंड स्पॉट मॉनिटरिंग 360 डिग्री कैमरा अवेलेबल होता है. पिलर्स की बात करें तो दिस इज फिनिश्ड इन बॉडी कलर. बी पिलर इज फिनिश्ड in matte black. Over here there is black treatment, there's glossy black treatment over here. Roof rails of course are not functional, but they are looking good the way they have been placed over here. Okay, you get a shark fin antenna and finished in body color. Sunroof इसमें नहीं आता है. ये आपका roof line है ऐसा. This is how it's designed, and this is how the spoiler treatment is, guys. Okay, let me know your thoughts. What do you guys think of the side profile of the all new Toyota Tayzer, guys? Comments में अपने opinions आप ज़रूर देना. This is your fuel treatment. Coming to the rear, you get connected tail light treatment, guys. B-roll में आपको of course दिख जाएगा पूरा detail. You can see how the lights are functioning. G Neo Drive का badging है यहाँ पे. We are at Seni Toyota Kolkata. Toyota logo finished over here in satin, not in chrome. Urban Cruiser Tayzer. This is the actual name of this particular car. You get 4 parking sensors, 1, 2, 3 and 4. You get reflector treatment, all LEDs in the rear and in the front, guys. I believe you have LED treatment for your number plate as well. You also get a rear parking camera placed over here. This is your rear wiper, your defogger, your high mounted stop lamp treatment is over here. Rear wiper washer fluid treatment is over here, and of course your spoiler treatment is there as well. Let me know your thoughts, guys. What do you guys think of the rear of the Toyota Tayzer? Overall design wise this car looks good to me from the front, and from the rear also it looks pretty decent. Let's open the boot, see what's the story underneath over here. Okay guys, आपको 308 liters का boot space मिल जाता है. You get your light treatment, you get your warning triangle over there, you get 60/40 split, and we are going to be opening this tray and we're going to be looking underneath. What do we have in terms of spare wheel treatment? It's 195 60 R16, same size tire but with a steel rim, guys. So I believe spare wheel mein tire size should be the same, whether you give it steel or alloy, that's not the problem, but the tire size should be the same in my opinion, guys. You get 60-40 split, I think, which I've already mentioned. You can use that to increase your luggage carrying capacity. You of course get a parcel tray which is detachable also. This is the story of the boot. We are closing the boot right now, and that's how easy it is to close. I think loading lip है वो थोड़ा सा high है, okay, so you'll have to lift up your baggage and keep it in the boot. Loading lip थोड़ा सा अगर नीचे होता तो ground clearance कम हो जाता, guys, so you have to make compromise somewhere, okay, but I think ground clearance is a better option. You do need more ground clearance in Indian roads given the conditions that we have over here. Coming to the driver's side, guys, of course everything is the same, but over here you get your keyhole slot, manual keyhole slot, and your request sensor treatment is here. Coming to the windshield, you get regular wipers. You do not get aerotin wipers in this. So this is what it is pretty much from the exterior, guys. Nice grey color as well. I'm a fan of darker colors, grey, black, dark blue, navy blue types, okay. And only light color I like is silver. Silver looks good in all the cars, I believe. What are your thoughts? What do you guys think of this color? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Now what we're going to do, we're going to get inside, understand the interiors, understand the features, comfort and the practicality of the all new urban cruiser Toyota Tizer, guys. Let's get inside straight away. So guys, now we're about to get inside the all new Toyota Tizer, guys. You can see door handle storage over here, soft touch treatment over here, soft touch treatment over here as well, guys. Yahan pe you get hard plastic. This is your glossy black treatment. You get one touch auto up and down for the driver. The rest are standard. This is your door lock and unlocking mechanism. This is your window locking and unlocking mechanism. Your ORVM mechanism is over here. यहाँ पे आप 1 liter bottle store कर सकते हो. You can show your knickknacks as well. You get speaker treatment right there. Getting inside is very easy because of the high ground clearance. Closing the door, that's the third. This is your steering wheel, guys. It's not leather wrapped, this is not fabric wrapped, it's completely plain. You get a steering mounted control on the left side of the steering wheel. This is your call, accept, decline and voice activation. Toyota logo finished in the middle. यहाँ पे आपको कुछ नहीं मिलता है. This is completely plain. Over here, driver functions, you get traction control, auto start stop. Your headlight adjuster is also present. This is how your AC vent design is on the driver's side. This is how it is in the middle, and the same story runs from there to here. You can see this silver treatment is looking pretty nice. It looks very premium. Okay, what are your thoughts? You can let me know. No soft touch given on this side. This is all hard plastic over here. You can see your RVM is manually dimming. Your cabin light treatment is finished in yellow. The co-driver sun visor has a vanity mirror. No vanity mirror on this side, on the driver's side. This is your fabric seats, but the seats are comfortable, but they're soft in my opinion. They're not firm. So I believe long journeys might be a little bit uncomfortable, but city journeys will be very comfortable. The seats overall are very comfortable. That's the story of the seats, guys. Glove box treatment ki baat kare, this is how it is. I don't see any cooling function over here. This is your wireless charging pad. You can see your USB-A treatment and your 12-watt charging socket are also present. Twin cup holders. This is your 5-speed manual gearbox finished in leather. This is your handbrake treatment. This is how the key of the car is, guys. Lock and unlock buttons are there, and this is your Toyota logo. Let's switch on the vehicle. Battery down है तो थोड़ा हमको चाबी से start करना पड़ रहा है. This is your treatment of your instrument cluster. Middle में you can see your MID and your ignition switch on position. यहाँ पे आपको दिया हुआ है ignition switch position. This is your average. This is your driving time. This is your total idle stop time. This is your total idle fuel save. This is your timing. Boot opening दिखा रहा है आपको कि गाड़ी का boot खुला है, guys. So until that's not closed, we can't show you further. So ये रहा clock का treatment. And this is your motion front and rear. This is your torque and power band. This is your acceleration and braking. This is your, it has a mild hybrid system as well, so that's what it is displaying. And this is empty. Okay, so this is what it is in terms of your MID. This is your tachometer and your speedometer. You can see the warning lights present on the screen. This is a 7-inch touchscreen, guys. इसमें आपको wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto मिल जाता है. In the top variant, you get wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, guys. This system UI is the same in both. So this is what it is. We have already explored this screen, the same screen in the Fronx. If you'd like to check that out, you can go and see the video placed on the top right corner, guys. This is your favorites, paired devices. You get your My Images, home screen, call to contact, display settings, media settings, quick guide, phone contacts, USB, photos. A lot of options are present. If you want a detailed video on this, just let me know in the comments. I'll make a detailed video on the infotainment system of the Urban Cruiser Tizer, guys. So आप मेरे को अपने thoughts comments में बता देना. I will definitely do that. These are your paired devices. These are your connected connectivity का option है वो. This is your settings. You can see display, date and time, language, welcome home, message and everything. This is what it is, guys. All right, and these are your options for your switching on and switching off. Home option, voice command, music, calling, and your volume control functions are also present. This is your hazard lamp function. You can see यहाँ पे ग्लॉसी ब्लैक ट्रीटमेंट है. मैंने आई थिंक नहीं दिखाया था, तो आप फिर से यहाँ पे देख लो. AC की ट्रीटमेंट की बात करें, you can see you get buttons over here, no touch screen. This is your internal air circulation. This is your AC. This is your off switch. This is your automatic climate control, single zone climate control, front end your defogger, and your blower functions are over here. Guys, we had to switch it off because battery बहुत low है and showroom के executive ने आके बोला सर बंद कर दीजिए नहीं तो बैटरी डाउन हो जाएगी. तो we had to switch off the car, but I think I've shown you all the basic details, so there's nothing to worry. We'll come back to the showroom if you want detailed videos on the MID or the infotainment screen. Just let me know, guys. We will come back here and we will make that video for you guys. Okay. So coming to the side, you get your armrest treatment which is slidable. You can open this. You get the armrest storage as well. Nice armrest, guys. बहुत easily slide हो रहा है and it's very comfortable also. So that's pretty much it, the story of the front. This is the leg room that I'm getting. This is my driver's position, which is comfortable enough. You don't get metal pedal treatments in this car. You do get a dedicated dead pedal, which is neat. This is your bonnet opening button over here. This is your fuel lid opening knob over here. You can see some sort of storage placement is also given where you can store your knickknacks if you need to, guys. So this is pretty much it from the front. What are your thoughts of the driver's side, of the co-driver's side? Do let me know in the comments below. What are your thoughts of the infotainment and the MID? What Tizer could have done better, or you think that Toyota has done a fantastic job with this car? Let me know all your thoughts in the comments. Let's get to the rear and see what's the story over there, guys. Getting in the rear space of this vehicle, closing the door. Okay, so first of all, ex-showroom price की बात करें, guys. So the ex-showroom price of this particular car is, this particular variant is 10,50,500 rupees. That's the ex-showroom price. Now let's talk about legroom. Look at this legroom, amazing. Driver's seat to my position. Look at so much foot room I have. Look at my knee room. This is pretty good, and you can see the under thigh support is also very, very decent, guys. So in terms of space, there is no complaints whatsoever, guys. You can definitely come check it out for yourself. We will also explore the headroom in a bit. Do we get seat pockets? No, we don't get seat pocket on the driver's side. We do get seat pocket on the co-driver's seat where you can store your knickknacks. You do get door storage. You get door handle storage. You can store your 1 liter bottle and few of your knickknacks on this side. Speaker treatment, 4 speakers मिल जाते हैं आपको इसमें. Best part is you get 3 adjustable headrests, guys. So that's neat. 3-point seat belt, but it is a good thing. You should wear your seat belt because safety comes first, guys. Whether you sit in the front or the rear, seat belt should be on at all times, guys, because it is for our safety only. All right, you can see, guys, you get 2 sockets over here, USB-A and USB-C. AC vent design is like this, looks very classic. This is to control the blower function, of course. Coming in the middle, this is the space I'm taking because of the hump, as you can see, but the side passengers will not have a problem, in my opinion. Shoulders will of course touch, but it is okay for short journeys. It's not a big deal, guys. The car is broad enough. Let's talk about the headroom now. So, guys, sitting relaxed only. Headroom is slightly compromised for me because I am 6 feet tall. People slightly shorter than me will be comfortable. 5'9", 5'10" will not be a problem. ऐसे मेरा सर थोड़ा टच कर जा रहा है, but that's not a big deal. So this is your glossy black treatment. You can see soft touch. Lorena Soja I've already shown you. Grab handle treatment is like this. Hook is present only on one side, on the right side, and there's no light placement. Light placement is only in the middle over here, which is of course finished in yellow, guys. And that's pretty much it, guys. Nothing much to explore. It's pretty much the same car. Let's go outside and conclude the video of the all new Urban Cruiser Toyota Tizer, guys. So guys, this was my video of the all new Urban Cruiser Tizer, guys, the all new Toyota Urban Cruiser Tizer. First of all, it's got a lot of good things going for itself. The ground clearance, the look of the vehicle looks like a mini Innova from the front and looks very aggressive, has a good amount of road presence. Inside also it's pretty practical. It gets good amount of features. It gets a nice infotainment screen. The MID is also pretty decent. The steering feel is also pretty good. So it has that premiumness going for itself, and overall when you talk about the design also, it looks pretty good in my opinion. Even though it being less than 4 meters, if you come and stand in front of the car, it looks bigger because it is designed in such a way, and it is designed really well for Indian roads, as it has a big skid plate, a big diffuser. Look at the side cladding. You can see the side cladding that is also there, the big body cladding on the sides. So you will be able to drive this car confidently on almost all the bad roads, and that's a pretty big deal, especially in a country like India. Ground clearance is another major factor for the buyer as well, especially in a country like India. So it has that going for itself. Overall, it's a nice package. It's a nice offering. 1.2 liter NA, which runs 90 horsepower, and the booster jet engine, the turbo engine that comes with this car. So that is also available. If you want a little bit more kick, you should go for the turbo, and if you want mileage, you want more efficiency, I think NA is the right option for you guys. But of course, me being an enthusiast will always recommend turbo. Okay, so anyway guys, this is my video. I hope you'll enjoyed this video. I hope you'll find it informative, and if you did, do like it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, share this video as much as you can, press that bell notification icon so you don't miss any of my future uploads. If you have any more suggestions, if you want me to cover some other cars as well, you can let me know thoughts in the comments, and of course I will try my level best. So thank you so much for joining me in this, guys. I will see you all in the next video. Till then, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.